Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review and comparison about these two platforms, which is Pineapple Builder and Framer. To get started with a quick overview, Pineapple Builder is a beginner-friendly AI-powered website builder made for solopreneurs, startups and small team who want to launch fast, optimized landing page or a one-page site without coding. It focuses on simplicity, speed and SEOs and a lead generation tools. Talking about Framer on the other side is a higher end design focused website builder built for creative and marketers who want full design control with sleek animation and custom layout. It also offers AI generated site, Figma import, and professional grade visual editing ideas for modern conversion focused site. And talking about these two platforms, what they are best at doing. So, starting with the Pineapple Builder, it is best for startup, MVPs, freelancers who want a quick functionalities or functional landing page on the other side of Framer. It is good for designers, agencies, and marketers needing a beautiful, animated, modern website. And here's the viral conclusion about this platform. So if you want a quick AI powered site that's simple with a simple mobile friendly and lead generation ready, just go for Pineapple Builder. Then on the other side, if you want a high design animated website with full creative control and advanced visual, just go for Framer. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section which of these two platforms will be a game changer to you. Thanks.